Well, it's a huge privilege to have Abhishek Chaubey, the director of Urta Punjab, with us right now. Abhishek, pleasure having you on Bollywood, and congratulations for, I think, an amazing victory that you guys have had.
Well, I accept your congratulations, but I think I truly deserve it if the film comes out on the 17th.
But is there any doubt that it will?
I worked all night last night, and I think Aman and Madhu are probably tearing their hair apart to make the DCPs on time to send it to all the theatres. So, as far as the last 1 month has been, never say it's done. Just wait for it to happen. When it's playing on the 17th in the theatre near you is when I'm going to be happy.
And what about the overseas prints? You'll be sending it via digitally by.
Yeah, we are going to be sending overseas print. We are all set as far as that is concerned.
Right. It seems like a very, very thrilling movie since the last 10 days. That one moment it was that it's not releasing, and now finally, yesterday it's been finally just cleared. Is it the most eventful 10 days of your life so far?
The most stressful and distressing, I could tell you that, in all honesty and all humility, because I'm a filmmaker. I've made a movie, regardless of what the movie is about. As a filmmaker, I would like the audiences to come and watch the film and debate its merits, whether it was good or bad. And no filmmaker worth his salt would want this kind of attention to come onto his film, where the film is being discussed, news is being splashed in the media for everything else but the creative aspects of the film. I'm sitting in court, I'm standing in court, trying to listen to a judgment whether my film can come on 17th or not. I don't think films or filmmakers should go through this. They don't. It's just not right. But I'm just relieved. मुझे संतोष है कि okay, there is a chance that we're coming on the 17th. So if it does happen, I think everything that has happened in the 15 days will be worth it. And I would have learned something from this experience.
I love Dear Ishqiya much more than Ishqiya as well, because Ishqiya was like a commercially successful film, but Dear Ishqiya, I love the writing part of it. I think आजकल इस तरीके की writing देखने को मिलती नहीं कहीं ना कहीं, and the way you just took it along, it was highly enjoyable. Maybe some people had felt that it's for a certain audience only. What sort of writing do we expect in Urta Punjab?
I think the film targets the youth. You know, I think purely from a business point of view, if I were to say what's my TG, I would say it's the young people of this country. It's the young people starting from the age of 18 till about early 30s, because these children, you have the issues that the film is discussing. It's all around them. And the film has a certain sort of edge, a pace, an attitude, which I think the youth of the country will connect with. And I think that's really my target audience. But another target audience has been created, which is families and people who have seen drug abuse very close at hand. Yes, anybody who has seen drug abuse either with herself or himself or one of his family members are really going to relate to this film.
You spoke about the commercial part of it. The interesting part is that almost everyone is saying that because of the huge sort of buzz that has been created because of the entire controversy, the opening of Urta Punjab will be much more than what it would have been in normal circumstances. You'll get the start. How confident are you that you'll hold on to like a Monday or a Tuesday?
Well, my effort as a filmmaker has been that regardless of what kind of cinema you like to watch, I have made a film that can hold you in your seats for 2.5 hours, and it's a film that you can take home. That's my effort as a filmmaker. And if a large number of people are going to come to watch this on Friday, it's terribly fortunate for all of us. It's great, and I think a large number of people from that group who come to watch it will be able to, it will hold your attention for 2.5 hours. And it's a film that you're not going to forget by the time you reach your car in the parking lot, but you can go home and wake up in the morning and think about it.
Shyam Benegal has loved the film. Does it somewhere embolden you?
Well, yes. I mean, he's a doyen. I mean, and one of the most respected filmmakers. So if he's seen the film and he has 2 good words to say about it, I'm humbled and terribly happy about it.
You never come across like a producer the way Anurag Kashyap has backed you completely. I think it's a rarity. It seems like a movie. Movie में इतनी ज़्यादा मतलब दिलेरी या फिर heroism होता है जिस तरीके से उन्होंने शो किया. Do you feel happy that you've had a producer who's backed selflessly? उनकी खुद की फिल्म अगले हफ्ते आने वाली.
एकदम. I mean, there's no other way of looking at it. In fact, I lost faith once. There was a moment when I lost faith. I said, let it be. But he was the one who said no. We are going to stand up for this, and you're going to be the biggest idiot on earth if you're not going to defend your film. So let me take the fight to them, and then we will talk about it. And he did that. I mean, he spent an entire day 10 days away from the release of his own film, 15 days away from the release of his own film, he spent one entire day just giving interviews to the media because he believed, and he told this to me in so many words, that we've made an honest film. We have nothing to fear. Yeah, and that was that encouragement, and I really love him for what he did.
From the promos we see that I think Kareena is looking outstanding as well. Whenever she comes into in terms of that what people say no makeup look and performance oriented stuff, she's a dynamite somewhere. What can people expect from Kareena?
Oh, it's a terrific performance. It's a terrific performance, and she's a very unique character in the landscape of the film because she's completely pure, and she is a good Samaritan, and she's doing all that she's doing in the film, she's doing it for no reason. And she is the only character who knows how bad this thing is. She knows the real crux of the problem. So she comes across as this very simple woman, no makeup look and all that has been discussed. But she's actually a firebrand in the film, who's going out and doing it for completely selfless motives,
Last question. Do you as a citizen of the country, or maybe like as a rational and sensible citizen of the country, does it at times bother you that agar aap jo hain, agar if you're pointing out at a certain ailment, a certain problem in a country or in a state or wherever, आपको foreign के हिसाब से आपको name calling हो जाता है, and you just say that you're somewhere abusing or you're just defaming a state or whatever. कहीं ना कहीं एक self introspection होना या जो भी चीज़ें हैं, Do you find it bothering that in a society that अगर आप किसी चीज़ से मोहब्बत करते हैं तभी आप उसको बेहतर आप बनाना चाहेंगे, हर वक्त आप शुगर कोट नहीं कर सकते?
जी, एकदम आपकी बात एकदम सही है because this is born out of a lot of love for people. We make movies about a problem because we are concerned about it. We are responsible citizens. This view of Bollywood that we are these party animals just partying around all the time is not true. We work very hard to do what we have to do. And if we go out there and take such significant commercial risks by making a film about a subject matter, whereas most people like to watch 2.5 hours of entertaining cinema, song and dance and jokes and go home, to make that attempt to do something like that requires a lot from us. There is absolutely no malified intentions behind what we are doing. Absolutely. It's done out of love and concern, and to be called names and to be called defaming, I think the problem is of semantics. If we try to critique somebody, it's called defamation.
Exactly.
And that's not true, As a citizen of this country, deliberate misinformation. Again, and I think everything in this country, every debate in this country, regardless of what it is about, whether it's cinema or not or something else, is immediately made political. Absolutely. It's not even political, it's made about political parties, and that's really unfortunate. I think we should grow up and not indulge in these kind of,
Thank you very much, Abhishek Chaubey. More power to you. Thanks a lot.